Hey, everyone! Let's be real crumbs in your car seats, peat hair on the floorboards, and mystery dust in every nook. It's a mess out there. But guess what? Today, we're diving into the top 5 car vacuums that'll turn your ride from U to WOW in minutes. Whether you're a road trip warrior, a parent with snack-happy kids, or just someone who hates tangled cords, I've got the perfect pick for you. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for exclusive deals and detailed specs. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get your car looking showroom fresh. Step into the world of the Fontic V8 Apex Car Vacuum, a compact yet powerful tool built for detail cleaning. This 4-in-1 portable mini vacuum not only vacuums but also blows, inflates, and pumps, offering versatility for any small cleaning challenge. With 10 thoughtfully designed accessories, from a crevice nozzle and flexible hose to a push-in brush, multi-surface brush, and pet brush, it reaches every nook and cranny of your vehicle. The heart of this device is its mighty 19,000 PA suction, powered by an 80,000 Rem brushless motor that captures everything from lightweight sand and dust to stubborn debris. You can choose Eco Mode for a generous 40 minutes of cleaning or Max Mode for a rapid 13-minute burst. Its universal Type C charging completes a full cycle in just 2.5 hours. And at only 1.1 pound, it feels as light as a bottle of water. With a one-touch, empty feature, cleaning is a breeze, keeping your hands pristine. The HEPA filter traps an impressive 95.99% of dust and particles, ensuring that every journey begins with a fresh, clean start. Now, let's honor the robust spirit of the MB-NG-FX9 Ultra Car Vacuum, a powerful, sleek device in Starburst Black, engineered to deliver a remarkable 35,000 PA, a high suction force. This cordless wonder gathers dirt, dust, and debris with effortless precision. Its high-capacity battery allows for up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring every corner of your car is attended to without interruption. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, its lightweight design makes maneuverability and storage a breeze. The dual functionality of suction and blowing modes means you can easily switch from deep cleaning your vehicle interior to inflating items like air mattresses or toys. A range of practical accessories, from the flat suction nozzle to the multi-surface brush and flat brush, click into place effortlessly, making setup intuitive and maintenance simple. The reusable filter is designed for quick cleaning, ensuring you breathe fresh air with every use. Embrace the MB-NG-FX9 Ultra and let its blend of power and practicality transform your car care routine into a smooth, revitalizing experience. Next, we turn our attention to the Cordless handheld vacuum, a perfect fusion of modern efficiency and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 1.3 pounds, this rechargeable vacuum is built for those who value portability and ease of use. Its upgraded brushless motor spins at an impressive 80,000 RPM, delivering a robust 16,000 PA suction power that quickly handles everyday messes, from sand to dust and tiny debris. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, it provides 25-30 minutes of deep cleaning, and fast Type-C charging gets you back in action within 3.5 hours. The package includes multiple practical accessories, ideal for removing stubborn pet hair and reaching those challenging corners with its long nozzle and flexible hose. When it's time to empty, the one-touch system makes cleanup simple and hygienic, while the washable HEPA filter traps up to 95% of particles. With Crumbs by your side, every cleaning task becomes an effortless, efficient journey that keeps your car interior as fresh and inviting as nature's own embrace. Step into a brighter cleaning experience with the Blestan handheld vacuum, Cordless, a dynamic tool built to illuminate and clear your space with ease. This portable car vacuum, featuring an integrated LED light, ensures even the darkest corners are well lit as you work. Weighing a mere 1.6 pounds, its robust yet lightweight design makes it easy to handle on any surface. Upgraded technology provides two distinct suction modes, delivering a powerful cyclonic suction of up to 9 kPa to remove everything from stubborn cobwebs to debris on car seats. With thoughtfully designed accessories like the crevice tool, dusting brush, and side brushes, every cleaning challenge is met head-on. The rechargeable battery offers extended runtime and quick charging, ensuring you're always ready for the next task. A generous dustbin and a washable, reusable HEPA filter keep the process smooth and efficient. Whether cleaning your car, home, or office, the Blestan is a steadfast partner that infuses energy, precision, and a touch of light into every cleaning adventure. Finally, let's honor the legacy of quality with the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean, an icon that blends performance with familiarity. Powered by a 16 VMA X lithium-ion battery, this compact, cordless handheld vacuum is designed for both home and car use. Its optimal suction performance tackles everyday messes, from pet hair to stubborn debris, while the flip-up brush and extendable crevice tool ensure even the most hard-to-reach areas are cleaned. The Dustbuster's design is both portable and user-friendly. Its rotating slim nozzle and pull-out crevice tool simplify cleaning tight spots effortlessly. Although its battery life may be shorter than some competitors, and it produces a distinctive high-pitched sound, its efficiency on floor mats and general debris makes it a beloved, reliable choice. Embrace the familiarity and proven performance of the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster, a tool that stands the test of time with a blend of affordability, efficiency, and a charm that complements every cleaning routine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the best tools and gadgets for your car. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.